We can't dance without Adam. We can't laugh, we can't sway, it's true. We're happy or off on adventures, but we're missing the welcome from you.
You greet us by name when we enter, with that smile that can brighten the room.
Receptionist, dancer, cheerleader,
Your energy lifts every tune.
and we're happy you're roaming through Europe, taking selfies in Paris at night. But the rumba feels different, the cha-cha less sparkly. Till Adam returns, it's less bright.
So enjoy every castle and cafe, every waltz down a cobblestone street. We'll keep on with dancing together, but with Adam,
It's extra sweet. Yes, we can dance without Adam. We'll still try every new step and jam. But hurry back safe from your journey. Your dance family's big.